it's Fenny. So today I have created this makeup look which is everyday brown makeup look, which is quite easy, simple. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching.
So here I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. It is an amazing foundation which gives a beautiful coverage. Always remember to dab your foundation rather than dragging it, because then it will make you look cakey and I'm sure you don't want that. Take your time at this stage because it is very important. Now I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer as a base for our eyeshadows. I always use my fingers to dab it rather than using a beauty blender because it is much easier for me that way. Now I'm using Maybelline's eyeshadow palette Nude, and in that I'm using the brown shade. I'll start working on the crease and corner of my eyes and then I'll fill in. Now I'm using Maybelline's gel eyeliner to create a winged eyeline. I'm using Maybelline's Falsier mascara. It is a beautiful mascara which gives such heavy look on your eyelashes. Now I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me concealer under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. And now I'll settle it with a beauty blender. Moving on, I'm using Sivana's contour palette to contour my cheekbones. deep gradation lipstick in the shade Mauve. This is one of my favorite shades. It looks amazing on your lips. So yeah, this is the final look.